There's not much happening for the maker in the weekly roundup this week, but there's a couple of new products. This week's roundup comes from Barber, out in the sticks up north. Hey, get out of there! Come on, get out of there! Hey! Hey, John, this one needs a kickstart again. Stupid thing.
The first Kickstarter is a nice little switch-made power supply, capable of delivering plus and minus 15 volts for analog circuitry, and also 3.3, 5 and 6 volts for digital circuitry. This guy has spent considerable effort ensuring that there's low impedance and low ripple, capable of running off anything between 3 and 10 volts. This next one just might be a contender to the Pixie Cam that was on Kickstarter a while ago. However, this one uses OpenCV as its video processing engine, contains a 720p camera, Wi-Fi, 6DoF IMU, an Atmega 32U4, and a Hi 3518 running Linux. So essentially, this is a cheap webcam, but with everything exposed and released as open source. Might be a good one to check out, but the Hi 3518 has been around for a while now. Yet another 3D printer on Kickstarter. This one is well and truly funded. There's two on offer, the Robo C2 and the Robo R2. These are a new design from the company's previous 3D printers. The C2 has features such as Wi-Fi connectivity, touchscreen, self-leveling bed, filament runout detection, and will use any filament not requiring a heated bed. The R2 has all those features, plus a heated bed, onboard camera, and capable of printing two filaments at the same time. Nice. Blinkgogo is a STEM education product designed for kids. The basic kit has an Arduino compatible capable of being reprogrammed via Bluetooth, robot chassis, solar panel, and tutorial books. You can also get an expansion kit with a bucket load of sensor options. All these components you can get off the shelf anyway, and the value is how they deliver their tutorials, but it seems like a good product for kids.
There's really nothing on Indiegogo this week, and there's only one really interesting product from Crowd Supply.
The Tarocco is a closed-loop motor controller capable of positioning DC brushed motors used in CNC machines. It's compatible with several machine control boards, capable of driving up to 36 volts at 1 amp continuously. And on the Tindy side, you can pick up an ESP3212 breadboard-friendly Breakout board, which is a Breakout board for the new ESP3212. Or, if you're really into some retro MCUs, there are a number of boards bringing back the old 6502 MCU in an Arduino-style format, with all the usual GPIO goodness of Arduinos.
Bugger! I reckon the spark has gone in this one. This'll be fun.
Speaking of ESP3212, Adafruit is now selling Espressif's ESP32, and like every other shop on the planet, seems to have run out of stock as well. If you have a need for thermocouples, then Adafruit have a new Amplifier Breakout based on the Max 31856 that can interface with almost any type of thermocouple you can throw at it. Talks SPI to your MCU and has onboard 3.3 volt regulator and logic level shifting circuitry. So that's really it for this week. If I've missed something out, then let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Hey.
G'day Daisy, how are you going? Hey Daisy, what's happening? What's happening with Daisy?